The top 3 things you can reduce in your home to save time. According to a recent study, 60% of adults don't believe there are enough hours in the day to get everything done. If that's you, you're not alone. It can feel like we're running a never-ending race against the clock. But don't worry, we've got a helpful fix for you. Let's dive into the top 3 things you can reduce in your home to save time. Ready to make some changes? 1. Clothing. First on our list is clothing. Ever find yourself staring into your wardrobe, overwhelmed by choices? Decluttering your wardrobe is a game changer. Fewer clothes mean fewer choices every morning. Imagine the time you'll save not having to decide between 5 different shirts. Plus, you'll have quicker laundry cycles and spend less time shopping. The less you own, the less you have to manage. It's as easy as pie. Let's delve deeper into the concept of a minimalist wardrobe. The idea isn't to live with the bare minimum, but to curate a collection that reflects your style and meets your needs without excess. Start by evaluating your current wardrobe. Identify pieces that don't fit, that you haven't worn in a year, or that no longer align with your style. Donate, sell, or recycle these items responsibly. Once you've decluttered, focus on building a capsule wardrobe. This approach centers around versatile, high-quality pieces that easily mix and match. Think of it as having a small but mighty clothing arsenal. Not only does this save you time, but it also reduces decision fatigue, a real phenomenon where making too many decisions can lead to poorer choices over time. Moreover, managing a smaller wardrobe extends beyond daily dressing. It simplifies laundry, reduces the number of clothing items that need attention, and lessens your environmental footprint. With fewer clothes, you wash less frequently, saving water and energy. Plus, by choosing quality over quantity, you invest in pieces that last longer, reducing the cycle of fast fashion consumption. 2. Kitchenware. Next up, let's tackle kitchenware. Our kitchens often become cluttered with gadgets and utensils we rarely use. Cut back on these and keep only the essentials. By minimizing kitchen clutter, meal prep becomes easier and cleanup is faster. Remember that fancy juicer you never use? It's time to say goodbye. Keeping things simple can make a world of difference. To further elaborate, the key is to identify the tools and appliances you use daily. For instance, if you have multiple spatulas or a collection of mismatched pots and pans, consider which ones truly serve your cooking style. It's worthwhile to invest in a quality chef's knife, a reliable cutting board, and a versatile pot or pan that can handle various cooking methods. The objective is to streamline your kitchen to enhance functionality without sacrificing your culinary creativity. Additionally, consider the organization of your kitchen space. Clear countertops contribute to a more efficient cooking process. Use drawer dividers or install hooks to maximize space and ensure everything has its place. This organization can drastically cut down on the time spent searching for tools or ingredients. Moreover, maintaining a clear and orderly kitchen can inspire more frequent home-cooked meals, leading to healthier eating habits and reduced reliance on takeout or prepackaged foods, which can be both time-consuming and costly in the long run. Furthermore, think about the environmental impact of your kitchenware choices. Opt for sustainable materials and products designed for longevity. Doing so contributes to a more eco-friendly home and emphasizes quality over quantity, aligning with the broader goal of simplifying your life to save time. 3. Television. Finally, let's talk about television. If you want more time in your day, watch less TV. It might sound like a drastic step, but you'll be shocked at how much you can get done when you turn it off. Imagine all the hobbies you could pick up, or the quality time you could spend with loved ones. Save time today by owning less and enjoying more of what truly matters. Reducing television time is not just about turning off the screen, it's about consciously deciding how you want to spend your time. The average person spends several hours a day watching TV, time that could be spent pursuing passions, engaging in physical activity, or nurturing relationships. Start by evaluating your viewing habits. Are there programs you watch out of habit rather than interest? Could you replace an hour of TV with a walk, a book, or a hobby you've always wanted to try? Moreover, consider setting specific viewing times and sticking to them. This discipline can help you appreciate your favorite shows more and prevent binge-watching sessions that eat up entire evenings. You could also explore more enriching content, such as documentaries or educational programs, that align with your interests and contribute to personal growth. Additionally, reducing TV time can improve mental health. Excessive screen time, especially before bed, can disrupt sleep patterns. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine free from screens can lead to better sleep quality, enhancing your productivity and mood during the day. More meaningful interactions with family and friends often replace TV time, fostering stronger bonds and a deeper sense of connection. We hope these tips help you find a little extra time in your day. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Let's get the ball rolling and start simplifying our homes and lives. You might just find that you have more time for the things you love. In conclusion, the journey to a more streamlined and efficient home is a personal one. It involves thoughtful consideration of how each item in your home serves you and contributes to your daily life. By focusing on reducing clothing, kitchenware, and television time, you're not just saving minutes, you're reclaiming hours. These changes can lead to a more mindful lifestyle, where you can focus on what truly matters and what brings you joy. Embrace the freedom that comes from less clutter and more intentional living. You'll likely find that these adjustments not only save you time, but also bring a sense of peace and fulfillment to your everyday life. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.